quiet. Get still. Get still. Get quiet.
Shut up, man.
Great job, fellas. I love everyone. Have a great afternoon. Hey, I told you we play championship football. What about it, right? Guys, that's why we bust our tail like we do. Guys, I'm proud of you. Guys, you're number one. Hey, and it's because of your effort, your work, your desire. You got me? Hey, you guys back there that can't even stand up. Great job. Love it, man. Hey, that's great. I love it. All you guys back here. All you guys back here. That's for y'all too. That's for y'all, baby. Yeah. Y'all work to get us to this point. All of it. I don't know what to say, guys. I love you. Proud of you. Proud of you. That's what Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. Guys, that's what we do. You understand me? That's what we do. It just took us a little bit of time to get here, and we ain't going nowhere. You got me? Now look, we got the weekend off.